Hello, in this meeting we will try to build a house, a simple house like this. So we will emphasize how to use a subdivide, extrude, and coloring techniques. Okay, we start from the beginning. I will make a new scene here. File, new, and then general. And in this simple cube, I will resize, become bigger, longer, and wider. So just press scale here, and then the navigation will be appear here. So I will make it wider first, and then higher, and then longer. Okay, and it's a little bit higher here. Okay, and then after this we will move it to the z-axis, so it will stick to the ground by choosing move, and then just choose the z-axis and then place it into the ground, so it will be like this. Okay, now we will go to the tape mode and then go to edit mode here in the left corner, or you can press tab in your keyboard, and then after this you press Ctrl R, and the yellow line will appear. Just click once, and then we will form this side in become the roof. So just using move option here, just press the yellow line here, or but before that we must change the mode into the edge select. There are three options here: vertex, edge, and face. So we choose the edge select, and then we rebuild like this. Okay, next I will delete this side there. So by choosing the face select, select the sides that we will delete. So I will delete four parts here. So 1, 2, then 3, and then 4. So by pressing shift, you can select more than one object, and after the 4 objects selected, press delete on your keyboard and then choose faces. So it will be like this. So there will be no side in both sides here. Okay, now we will rebuild this side. We choose the vertex select here, and then we choose the 4 axis, 4 points, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then press F on your keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then fill or F on your keyboard. Yeah, so it will be like this. So do the same thing with another side. 1, 2, 3, F. This one also. 1, 2, 3, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, and F. Okay, now I will add doors, some windows, and I will make into different color. So first we will make a window by using this technique. So first we change into the face select again, and then choose the insert faces here, select, okay. And then we will resize the new face here by press S, or just just click the left menu here, choose scale, and then I will make like this. Okay, and then grab it. Okay, after the door is in its position, so I will make some extrude here. So choose the door side and then E, and then push a little bit deep like this, and then release. So it will be like this. Then I will add some windows here by using subdivide. Select and then right click subdivide, and in subdivide option change number of cuts become 4. Okay, just 4. Okay, then choose this part 1 2 3 4, click E for extrude. Okay, do the same thing with the another side. Right click subdivide, change number of cuts into 4, choose 4 parts 1 2 3 and 4, press E on your keyboard and then do some extrude here. Okay, and last thing, we will make color to the door, to the roof, and to the windows. And first I will make some color in the windows. So just click the egg windows directly here and go to the right side, find the material properties, and then click plus and then new, and then use nodes in base color change into yellow, and then sign. So now the window become yellow, and I will make a brown color to the door. So after you select the door, click plus and then new, and then select use nodes and then base color change into brown. Okay, and then assign. Okay, now for the roof I will make orange color, plus and then new, use nodes, change into orange. Okay, I think it's enough. Then assign. Okay, now last thing, I will color these sides into light green. So plus and then new, and then use nodes, base color turn into light green like this. Okay, and then sign. Okay, and if we change into the object mode by pressing tab, it will be like this. So this is how to make a simple house.